Hey, is this thing on? I can't tell. Well, I guess we'll start this thing. Hey, this is Tracy outside of Golden, Colorado at the skate park. It used to be Ulysses skate park, probably still is Ulysses skate park, but we call it Golden. I'm out here and I'm about ready to start my sesh on my bike and my skateboard. But I want to do what I ride, and this is the first part of the video that I want to start with, and we'll talk a little bit about the headset and we'll go from there, alright? So this is what I ride. First thing on my bike that I think is pretty badass is my stem, which I ride a Madeira. Ano red, looks pretty badass. Also ride demolition bars. The second pair I've bought, I love them. They're grippy, great. From one of my other favorite companies, Deco, swirly red and black handle grips. On top of that, I ride a Snafu gyro, brand new. Just bought it, just put it on the bike. I started doing bar spins, practicing, getting a little bit better. But you know, I gotta ride brakes. I live on a hill, so you know, whatever. The cables that I run with it is Odyssey, kind of the Gyro 3 or G3 or whatever it is. But you know what? They work. You know, looks good. They look good. They go with the bike and get nice flow. And other than that, you know, I run the Springfield Odyssey brake. Like I said, I need to stop, and you know, that's just how it is. But other than that, take a peek. See what else I'm running. Cinema headset, not cinnamon. Cinema headset, and you know what? Other than that, we'll work a little more on something else later. All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Last week we went over the headset, all that stuff, so today we'll go over what drives this baby. So what I have for rims, I have the Shadow Conspiracy rims and hubs, hub guards, just generic pegs. We have some Primo Stevie Churchill cranks, 175s. I would recommend 170s. I'm sure they feel a little bit better. I'm not hitting my foot on the peg as much with the 170s. Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Best in the business if I gotta say it myself. That's my opinion, but they're awesome. And I ride Fit TAs. Grip on them, they're unbelievable. I thought these would be really good for street, and they are, but they're also very good for park. I definitely enjoy them. And what pushes this whole bike is I got Odyssey twisted pedals, swirly red and black, kind of go with the bike. You know, it looks pretty good. But anyways, I want to finish up my sesh out here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. we're finished up my bike check in my hometown of Chapman, Kansas, and I'm out here with my buddy Lance, and we've been riding since we were kids. So I wanted to finish out my bike check right next to his Redline twin tube badass bike. It's original. Awesome dude owns it. So we're gonna finish off mine today. We'll talk about the frame and the forks and what I ride on, and then we'll get some footage from Kansas. So when I'm riding for a seat, I'm riding the BSD post, and the seat makes it look good. It's good for my ass. I'm happy with it. You know, I got it because it looks good with the bike. I ride S&M pitchforks. Some of the best forks out there. They take a beating. I'll tell you what, just because they look clean today doesn't mean they don't get beat on and get dirty. So I want to give a shout out to Deco. They did a hell of a job for a frame. This is their self-titled version 3. I've been riding 2 different other bikes until I got this bike, and I have disassembled the other 2 bikes and have kept riding this. This thing has been the best thing I've been on since I started riding at the beginning of the year. So just a shout out to Deco and Matt Olson and the guys like that ride it for Deco. I'd recommend getting this bike. His frame is badass. So I'm gonna go out and try to finish out my session out here in my hometown, and see you later, guys.